Hey everybody, this is the beginning of the lines and logic unit for geometry, and I'm going to talk about line segment addition postulate and angle addition postulate today. And starting out, I just want to talk about what logic is, because this unit, really what we want to do is we want to work on building our logic, our capacity for logic. But logic just means reasoning. Can you use reasoning to solve problems? And it's a skill. It takes practice. And if you struggle with some of this stuff at the beginning, just know, it'll get better with practice, but it won't get better without practice. A postulate. So what is an angle addition postulate, or a line segment addition postulate? A postulate is an axiom. Those are two synonyms, and it's truth from reasoning. So people have come up with these truths from reasoning, and in this case, it's just from algebraic reasoning. So a segment addition postulate means that if you have a line segment AB and BC and they're on a line, then if you add them together, it equals AC. And that should make sense right away. But what that means is you can, subtract it. So typically with line segments, you'd write it with the line segments over this. And if you didn't know one of these, like, if you didn't know BC or if you didn't know AB, you can just subtract off and rewrite the equation. This is like the starter, and so you can equally say if you subtract BC from both sides, which we know we can do from algebra, then AB is equal to AC minus BC. And so when you have this simple AB plus BC equals AC, you actually have three different ways that you can write it. And you're going to use that kind of subtraction principle, addition principle when solving. So let's see. Okay. And then same thing for the angle. It says that if you have angle, and this is the way it's written with a little angle sign, and A, B, D. Notice that the vertex, B is the vertex, it's written in the middle. So B is kind of your vertex or your anchor for the angle. But ABD plus CBD, and you can write it as DBC also, is equal to the total ABC. And so likewise, you can always subtract one of these off. Like if you subtracted off the first angle from both, and that's A, B, D, then this becomes true. Okay, so you can rewrite this three different ways also. Okay, so let's look at the worksheet now. And here's the worksheet that we got today. So this says that the total line segment is 10, and part of it is 1. So it's really the one segment plus the unknown segment is equal to 10. And so, you can reason that the unknown segment is 9, right? And then this one, that this is 9 and this is 11 and the total is 26. So 9 plus 11 plus the unknown is equal to 26. You can rewrite this. I mean, this is, from the notes, this is IJ plus JK, but you get some funny line segment names or angle names. I've had a lot of people make some good jokes about these. Plus KL is equal to IL, right? And so this becomes 20 plus X is equal to 26. And from there, X equals 6. Okay? All right. is the angle. Okay. So over here we have KLM, the total equals 26. And the two parts is, oh no, we're finding KLM. We're finding I'm sorry, we're finding KLM. KLB is 26 and BLM is 60. And so, 60 plus 26.
They're gonna want new socks.
So 60 plus 26, and we're trying to find the total. So in this case, it's going to be 86. And, if your x was over here, you would just subtract it all. All right, so number 9, it says find KLU. So this time we're finding this x. We know that ULM is 20, and we know the total is 110. So 110 is equal to 20 plus the unknown, and then subtract 20 from both sides. And the unknown is equal to 90. Okay, hopefully that helps. Take some time to work the worksheet, and let me know if you have any questions.